Hey, what's going on, everyone, and welcome back to a brand new episode. So today I got me a Torras Samsung S23 Plus case right here. The phone is not out yet, and Torras has already sent me some pre-production cases for me to look at. So today we're just gonna take a look at the case. I don't have any dummy phones or anything like that, so I would say, yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this to see what the Samsung S23 really look like. By the way, this one right here from Torras, this is their Shockproof series. Essentially what Shockproof series means, the reason why I know what Shockproof is because I use this series on the iPhone quite a bit actually. Here's the reason why I like it a lot is because it comes with these little chips right here. They're basically buttons that you actually gets to replace on the actual case itself. So if you don't like the black boring button that's on these cases, you can actually swap these out to these orange or neon buttons right here, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that because I actually like the orange on black quite a bit. That's a good matching color. But first, let's take a look at the case real quick. This case right here has this frosted back right here, which I always love because check this out, okay? If the further you go, you see that? It just looks fantastic. I don't know why. And at the same time, for some reason, I don't know what material they use on this, but it feels really good. It feels really, really good. And it doesn't leave a lot of fingerprint. You know what I'm saying? If I were to touch this, I mean, no fingerprint at all. So you're probably asking about, you know, branding and stuff like that. Torras only has their branding on the side right here, and that is it. On the back and stuff is all super clear, so you can see the word Samsung on the back. So yeah, based on this case, it looks like the Plus only has one row of cameras, which is interesting, right? Most of them have two rows now. The side feels really good. If you look inside here, you can actually see almost like a honeycomb kind of design inside of this, which is essentially to keep the sides from banging on each other in case like dirt and stuff gets in there. So it's really useful right there. Okay, so besides that, I just want to install these little baby right here and see how it looks. All right, so let's go ahead and pop these out. Popping them out is pretty easy. You just pop it inward and it comes out. There's these little like groove on here. Yeah, you just go back in this way. Pretty easy. See, it's really plushed in there. So now let's pop this one out. I'm gonna pop it. I think you can pop it in or out, like either direction. I think it's fine. There we go. Pop that in. And so yeah, you got yourself black with neon on here, and it looks fantastic. So yeah, guys, that's it right there. That is the Shockproof case from Torras right there for the Samsung S23 Plus. That's not out yet, but by the time I release this video, you should have it in your hand. So anyway, have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.